Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, assistant teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss assignments of chapter number 6. So, let's start. Students, your chapter number 6 is nouns, number. Student, in the previous video lecture I have told you what is singular noun. A singular noun refers to one person, place, animal or thing. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place, animal or thing. Now let's do some exercise of this chapter. So question number learn is fill in the blanks by choosing the correct form of nouns given in the bracket. Students, you have given 10 sentences and in the bracket you have given 2 words and you have to choose the correct form of nouns according to the question from the brackets. So first question is Mrs. Sen has 4 blank. Students, 4 plural is given. Okay, so that's why we have to fill children. Mrs. Sen has 4 children. Blank love playing with rattles. So right answer is babies. I saw a blank running by. So mouse is correct answer. I love flying blank. So I love flying kites. Avi gave blank to his friends. So Avi gave watches to his friends. I keep some blank in my pencil stand. So you have to fill pencils in the given blank. The girl gave a red blank to her teacher. So the girl gave a red flower to her teacher. Next is Himanshu drank 6 blank of water. So right answer is glasses. I gave 2 mangoes blank to the child to eat. So mangoes is right answer. There are 5 blank and 1 blank in the team. So in the first blank you will fill men and in second blank you will fill women. Next question, practice. Question number A is change the singular noun to plural and the plural noun to singular. Make other necessary changes. Students, you have given some questions and you have to change a singular noun to its plural and plural noun to its singular. So let's start. Question number first, the women told stories to the children. Students, women is in plural, so the singular noun of women is women. Okay, told story is also given in plural form, so we will write a story. Next is to the children. The children is also given in plural form, so we will write here child. Now come to the second question. The leaf fell from the tree. Students, all the nouns are given in singular nouns. Now we have to change all these singular noun into the plural. So plural of leaf is leaves and plural of tree is trees. Now come to the next exercise. The boy listened to the radios. So plural of boy is boys. Singular form of radios is radio. Fourth is the girls played with the goose. Plural form of girls is singular form of girls is girl and plural form of goose is geese. Fifth question, the cherry grew on the tree. Plural form of cherry is cherries. Plural form of tree is trees. Sixth question, the mason used a spade to work on the roof. So plural form of mason is masons. We will cut a and we will add s at the end of spade, and also the plural form of roof is roofs. Now the seventh is the boys attended the parties with their cousins. So singular form of boys is boy, parties is party, their is his, and singular form of cousins is cousin. Eighth question, the man looked after the ox and the buffaloes. Singular form of man is man. Plural form of man is men. Ox, oxen, buffalo, buffaloes. Ninth question, the men traveled across the city. So singular form of man is man. Plural form of city is cities. Now the hunter chased the deer. Plural form of hunter is hunters, and plural form of deer is deer. Students, I have told you that there is no change. Some animals just like fish, deer, sheep, etc. Okay, the plural form of deer is remain deer. Now come to the question number B. Identify the errors and rewrite these sentences. So the babies cried loudly as their toys were broken. So students, you can see the plural form of babies is wrong. So correct spelling of babies is BABIES, babies, and correct form of toys is TOYS. Now second is the thieves broke open the lockers and stole the ring. So plural form of thieves is thieves, 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 and locker, spelling of lockers is also wrong. So LOCKERS, you will remove E. Next is third question, the passengers were waiting for their trains at the station. So you can see the spelling of passenger is wrong. So passengers, 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 and you will remove E in trains. Rini loved stories about fairies and elves. Correct plural of stories is STORIES, stories. Fairies, 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 and correct plural form of elves is ELVES. Nishu cut the tomatoes in halves. So correct plural of tomatoes is TOMATOES, tomatoes, and correct form of halves is HALVES. Come to the sixth, the deers were hidden behind the bushes. I have told you already that there is no changes in deer. Okay, plural of deer is also deer, no, not deers. So we will correct deer, and bushes, spelling of bushes is also wrong, BUSHEES. The loaves of bread were kept on the shelves. So plural form of loaves is loaves, and plural form of shelves is shelves. 8. The hero were admired by the youth. So plural form of hero is heroes, and plural form of youth is youths. The ladies played the pianos in the music class. Plural form of ladies is ladies. Plural form of pianos is pianos. And also the plural form of class is classes. Monkeys, wolves, and buffaloes lived in the forest. So correct form of monkeys is MONKEYS. Wolves, WOLVES, wolves. Buffaloes, 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 and forests. Now come to the next question. No. Students, noun can also be divided into countable and uncountable nouns. So what are countable nouns? Noun that refers to people or thing that can be counted are called countable nouns. For example, 1 dog, 3 pencils, 5 apples. These can be counted, so these are the countable nouns. Now come to the next. What are uncountable nouns? Nouns that refer to the things that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. For example, liquids. Liquids such as oil, milk, water, etc. all these are uncountable nouns. Powders and gases are also uncountable nouns. Abstract nouns such as happiness, kindness, etc. all these are also uncountable nouns. Now come to the question number learn. Look at these pictures. Identify these as countable or uncountable. So sugar is uncountable noun, juice is uncountable noun, fruit is countable noun, lollipops is countable noun, butter is uncountable noun, bread is uncountable noun, tea is uncountable noun, coffee beans is countable noun, and also tomato is countable noun. Now question number next is, think of a suitable uncountable noun for each of the countable nouns in these sentences. Use the hints given in the brackets. One has been done for you. Cow is countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun. Hint is given. What it gives? What cow gives us? Cow gives us milk, so we will fill milk. Second is, a slice of toast is a countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun, so bread is the right answer. Umbrella is countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun. Hint is what it protects us from, so right answer is rain. Fourth, car is a countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun, so hint is what the car needs to run? Diesel. Factory is countable noun, but blank is uncountable noun. What it emits? फैक्ट्री से क्या निकलता है? स्मोक. SMOKE, smoke. Cup is a countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun. What we drink in it? You drink tea and also coffee in the cup. So tea and coffee both are right answer. Purse is countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun. What we keep in it? Students, we keep perfume, powders, etc. in our purse, so we will write here perfume. Apple is a countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun, so apple juice. Candy is a countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun. What is it made of? So candy is made of sugar. Tree is countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun. What it releases? It releases oxygen gas. Now come to the next question. Solve the crossword with words from the box. The clues will help you. So a blank of coffee. So answer is mug. MUG, mug. 3 blank of milk. 3 bottles of milk. 6 a blank of bread. A loaf of bread. A blank of cake. A piece of cake. 2 blank of soap. 2 bars of soap. A blank of food. A morsel of food. A blank of cotton. A bale of cotton. A blank of toothpaste. A tube of toothpaste. 4 blank of jam. 4 jars of jam. A pinch of salt. Now students, you will fill all these words in the given crossword. Okay. Now come to the next question. See, identify the highlighted noun as countable or uncountable noun. First is, the children were playing in the rain. Children is countable noun. So we will write here C. I drink milk every day. Milk is liquid, so it is uncountable noun. You will write U. Scientists are trying to find a solution for global warming. Scientist is countable noun, so we will write here C. I mix the water in the mixture of flour, sugar and eggs to make the batter. So eggs is countable noun. Rahul applied glue on one side of cutouts and pasted them on a chart paper. So glue is uncountable noun. You will write U. The policemen were marched toward the champ. Policeman is countable noun. Trainer advised Susan some exercises for the backache. Exercise is uncountable noun. So exercise is uncountable noun. Open all the doors and the windows. Windows is countable noun. Could you get me some juice, please? Juice is uncountable noun. Mita dropped some oil while pouring it into the can. So oil is uncountable noun. So that's it for today, students. You will do these exercise in your book and also in your HW copy.